It's me, Tanner. My brother's going to show you how to make something about pipe cleaners. Don't know what. He'll be here in a minute. Yes? One minute. He's getting supplies. Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a ball. Okay. First thing you're going to do, you're going to take just the brown, then just circle it up, then just circle it up with this is going to be a thin ball. A very thin ball. It won't bounce. Trust me. Here's the first part. Now, second part. You are going to want to take you're going to want to take a shiny green. Just wrap it through. You just pull it and pull up and pull down and pull up and pull down. Okay, here's your, and this is how to make a ball. Let me see it. Do ball, ball, ball. What do I do? Wait, stop recording.